All right, I've got photos of the facade.
The driveway needs immediate attention.
Yes.
Let's get inside and assess the interior damage. Watch out for the hose. Yeah, got it. Keep blowing those leaves over here. Based on the plans, we need to secure this staircase structure immediately. Water damage on the east wall looks extensive.
The deep cleaning begins immediately. Using industrial scrubbers and vacuums, the team starts to uncover the original splendor of the marble foyer.
We need more grout for the east section of the floor. Copy that. Bringing it up now. How's the railing polish going? Almost finished with this segment. All right, team, let's get the covers off the furniture. And someone grab the runner for the stairs. Right, team, based on the assessment, we start with the ceiling supports, then move to the floor stabilization. Copy that. We'll begin erecting the scaffolding immediately.
All right, team. Phase 1 is debris removal. Mark, check the structural integrity of these cabinets. Be careful around the island. The perimeter measurements check out against the original plans. There's significant moisture damage here. I'm documenting the oxidation levels on the hood. According to the original plans, this fireplace mantle is load-bearing. We can't remove it without adding temporary support here. That complicates the timeline.
Make sure you don't stay in one spot too long. Copy that. Moving towards the fireplace now.